The afternoon sun spilled through the diner's windows, painting everything in warm gold. Laughter, clinking plates, the steady rhythm of life. But all that light vanished in a single cruel second. A splash of cold water cut through the air, followed by a harsh laugh. Gasps rippled across the room. At the corner booth, a young pregnant woman sat frozen, her blouse soaked, her face pale. The waiter, a tall man with a sharp grin and a name tag that read Brad, stepped back, smirking as his coworkers chuckled behind him. No one in that diner knew who she was. Not yet. Grace Holloway, 7 months pregnant, tired but gentle, had come here to revisit the place where she and her husband once shared milkshakes after long rides. Her husband, Cole Holloway, used to be part of the Hells Angels before he gave up that life for her. He'd promised peace, promised to build a better world for their baby. Today, she just wanted a quiet lunch. But when her food came out cold and she politely asked for it to be reheated, Brad's ego couldn't handle it. His pride turned to cruelty, and with one careless motion, he turned her kindness into his joke. The sound of laughter stung worse than the water. Grace trembled, holding her belly protectively as tears filled her eyes. No one moved to help. The air was heavy until the bell above the diner door jingled. The laughter stopped. 5 men stepped in, boots striking the tiled floor in steady rhythm. Black leather, patches gleaming. The Hells Angels. At the front was Cole, his eyes locked instantly on Grace, wet, shaking, humiliated. The silence was suffocating. Brad's smirk vanished as Cole's stare burned through him. No shouting, no wild rage, just a quiet, dangerous calm that made everyone in the diner hold their breath. Cole walked to Grace's side, brushed a damp strand of hair from her cheek, and asked softly, "You okay, sweetheart?" Grace nodded weakly. "Let's just go, Cole, please." He turned toward Brad, his voice low, steady enough to freeze blood. "That's my wife." Brad couldn't speak. He just stood there, glass trembling in his hand. Cole picked it up, looked at it for a moment, and placed it back in Brad's palm. "Not so funny now, is it?" But Grace's gentle voice cut through the tension. "Cole, not like this." Her strength stopped him where anger couldn't. Cole exhaled, removed his leather vest, and wrapped it around her shoulders. Together, they walked out, heads high, leaving the room in thick silence. Before leaving, one of the older bikers leaned close to Brad and said quietly, "Son, life gives you 2 choices, to mock pain or to learn from it. Make sure you choose right next time." The door closed, and the laughter in that diner never returned. Days passed, then weeks. And one rainy morning, Grace came back. Brad was still there, but he wasn't the same. His eyes carried guilt instead of arrogance. When he saw her, he didn't laugh. He walked over, set a fresh coffee in front of her, and whispered, "Ma'am, I'm sorry." Grace smiled softly. "We all make mistakes. What matters is what we do next." Outside, thunder rolled across the gray sky. Inside, something brighter replaced it. Forgiveness. As she left, holding her newborn close, a leather jacket hung by the door. It was Cole's, a quiet promise that even the toughest hearts can change when love leads the way.